What if I told you that I stumbled upon one of the most incredible and trending niches for TikTok and YouTube? This particular YouTube channel has skyrocketed to success with a whopping 600,000 subscribers in just 5 months since its launch in July 2023. But here's the mind-blowing part. All of their videos are created using AI. The total number of views on this channel is simply unbelievable. According to Social Blade, this channel has amassed approximately 200 million views. And guess what? They're raking in an average of $35,000 every single month. This niche isn't just perfect for YouTube, it's also a goldmine for TikTok. By uploading the same videos on TikTok, you can double your income because the TikTok creativity program pays $1 for every 1,000 views. Now, before I spill the beans and reveal this incredible niche, let me guide you step by step on how to create videos for this niche. If you enjoy this type of content and find my videos helpful and motivating, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's call this new niche the judgment niche. Allow me to explain what it's all about. This niche revolves around short stories that hold immense value for society. These videos showcase how people's actions can destroy their family lives and provide guidance on how to avoid such pitfalls and become a better person. That's why it's aptly named the judgment niche. All stories within this niche revolve around experiences in various settings such as the workplace, market, school, or hospital. The key criterion is that these stories should convey a valuable message that enhances people's wisdom. Now that you have a clear understanding of this niche, let's proceed with the process. To begin, it is crucial that the duration of the video remains 1 minute. This is because we intend to upload the same videos on both YouTube and TikTok. Now let's move on to the first step, which involves creating the script for the video. For this task, we will utilize ChatGPT and Google Bard. To determine which AI generates the most optimal script, we can compare the outputs of both and select the superior one for our video. Let's now proceed to create a story on once there was a clever person who spent their whole life tricking others to get what they wanted. But when they passed away, they found themselves in heaven, or so they thought. To their surprise, it turned out to be hell instead. This was their punishment for all the bad things they did. Make this story 1 minute long and use simple words. Make it interesting. Now let's compare it with Google Gemini. I will simply copy the same prompt and click Generate. Now we have the second script. Upon analyzing both scripts, it becomes apparent that the script generated by ChatGPT surpasses the other one. However, if you believe that Google did a better job, feel free to use it. For this particular video example, I will go for the first script generated by ChatGPT. Now, the subsequent step is to create voiceovers for the script we have developed. In all our videos, we use 11 Labs, which is a top-notch voice generator with impeccable pronunciation. There are thousands of voices that you can select. In the basic plan, you will get 10,000 characters with limited voices. But if you buy its subscription, you will get thousands of voices and voice cloning options through which you can clone any voice. Its subscription for a creator is just $22, and with a discount, it's $11. Link mentioned in the video's description for discount. Now let's select the voice we want to use and paste the script. Alright, we finished generating the voiceover. Second step is done. In order to proceed with the third step, it is necessary to create appropriate images for the TikTok video. Personally, I am quite fond of Leonardo AI, as it serves as one of my preferred text-to-image generators. The best part is that there is no need to purchase a subscription for this service. They generously provide 150 free credits on a daily basis, which is more than sufficient for creating 3 videos. Allow me to elaborate on how this process works. These images are essentially AI models, each possessing distinct characteristics. Firstly, it is important to determine the type of images that will be utilized in the videos. Once that is decided, an appropriate AI model can be selected accordingly. For this particular video, I would opt for cartoon and art style images, making this AI model an ideal choice. By carefully observing the prompt used to generate this specific art, one can gain a clear understanding of the AI model. After selecting the model, simply click on the Generate button. This will lead you to a page displaying a collection of images previously generated by the AI. Please disregard these images. If needed, you can adjust the size of the images using the provided dimensions. These numerical values represent the number of artworks. In this case, only one image per scenario is required. Finally, all that remains is to describe your desired image within the given prompt. For the initial image, I will describe it as follows: tricky man with a muscular body smiling vector style. Then click Generate. You must generate as many images you can for each scenario. Using just several images will not get your video monetized. Let's move on to the next image. Proceed in this manner. Generate visuals for your entire script. This process may take some time. Review your script meticulously and produce the appropriate images. Create as many images as possible to enhance the quality of your content. Subsequently, all that remains is to edit these images and compile the final output. You have the option of using either Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut. For this demonstration, let's utilize CapCut. It is a free video editing software that can be easily downloaded onto your mobile device or computer. Follow these instructions. To begin, create a new project and choose an appropriate video size by clicking on the Modify button. Opt for a 9:16 ratio. Next, import all the voiceovers and images into the project. Now, arrange the voiceovers in the correct order by dragging and dropping them onto the timeline one by one. This step is straightforward and can be done by anyone. Once that is done, place the suitable images on top of the voiceovers. Ensure that the images align with the script. Feel free to use as many images as you desire. Although this may take a few minutes, it is a simple process. To enhance the quality of the content, we can add animation to the images. Click on the animation option in the side menu and select Combo. Look for the pendulum animation, which will create a swinging effect for all the images. Additionally, if desired, you can apply video effects according to your preference. Finally, let's add captions. Access the text option from the top menu and choose Auto Captions. Within seconds, the captions will be generated. You can then edit these captions using the side menu. Increase the text size and apply text effects as desired. Lastly, select all the text layers and return to the animation menu. From the top menu, choose Captions and select the desired effect. This will add an animation to the captions. Once this is done, the video editing process is complete. You can now export the video and upload it to your TikTok channel. Let's watch the video.
Once upon a time, there was a clever person who spent their whole life tricking others to get what they wanted. But when they passed away, they found themselves in heaven, or so they thought. To their surprise, it turned out to be hell instead. This was their punishment for all the bad things they did. They had tricked and deceived others for their own gain.
If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and informative content.